What's up, guys? We've had this club chair and Ottoman set in our house for a while now, and it's honestly become one of the most used spots to sit. It's the kind of chair where you just drop in at the end of the day and it immediately gets you comfortable. The fabric is really soft but still feels incredibly durable, and the padding strikes a really good balance of firm and cushy. The barrel shape is surprisingly comfortable, and the armrests sit at a really nice height whether you're reading, watching TV, or just scrolling on your phone. The Ottoman is a huge plus. Being able to kick up your feet makes a really big difference, especially if you're sitting there for more than a few minutes. I've used this for everything from relaxing at night to working on my laptop, and it works really well. Style-wise, it looks great in this room. The letter print adds a really nice personality without being over the top, and it fits well in a bedroom or a living room without feeling too bulky. It doesn't take up a ton of space, but it still feels well put together. The assembly was really straightforward and didn't take long at all. Everything lined up cleanly, and once it was together, it felt solid with no wobble and no weird noises. If you're looking for a comfortable accent chair that actually gets used and doesn't just look good in photos, this set is a really solid choice. I would highly recommend it.
As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.